Hey Internet, today's lesson is exploded view. So if we just go into our assembly part and then we just click exploded view, then we pick the parts that we want to explode individually. So this one, move it all the way to here. This piece, move it here. This piece, we just move it here. We click OK, and that's our exploded view. And you're probably wondering, well, what if I don't like this view? You can go to Configuration Manager, then you just right click. So first of all, you have to open it, and then you right click, and then you just collapse, which will bring it back to its normal view. And then if you really don't like it, you can just right click and delete. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment if you got any questions. Until next time, see ya.